Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am excited to share this video and hope that you find it informative. In this video, we will see the major symptoms of blown/faulty cylinder head gasket. What is a cylinder head gasket? And what does a head gasket do? A cylinder head gasket is a thin, flat piece of material that sits between the cylinder head and the combustion chamber. It seals the combustion chamber and prevents coolant and oil from leaking into the cylinders or outside the engine. The head gasket also acts as a force transmission element, influencing the distribution of the force being generated by the cylinders. It is therefore the head gasket must be strong enough to withstand very high temperatures and pressures. Broken or a faulty gasket that is not functioning properly or has become damaged result in leaks or other issues. A faulty gasket can lead to coolant and oil mixing together, causing damage to the engine and potentially leading to engine failure. A broken cylinder head gasket, often called a blown head gasket, can result engine-related issues showing major symptoms in a vehicle such as overheating, white smoke from the exhaust, loss of power, engine misfire, milky oil, and coolant loss. In this video, we will see these 6 symptoms in detail. 1. Overheating. If the seal of the head gasket is damaged/blown, it can cause coolant to leak from the engine, leading to overheating. It occurs when the temperature of the engine exceeds its normal operating range. The cylinder head gasket is responsible for sealing the combustion chamber and coolant passages in the engine block fails. It can allow coolant to leak into the combustion chamber or oil passages, causing the engine to overheat. If a faulty cylinder head gasket is identified as the cause of overheating, it will need to be replaced. This is a complex and expensive repair that involves removing the cylinder head from the engine block. It is important to have this repair done by a qualified mechanic to ensure proper installation and prevent further damage to the engine. 2. White smoke from the exhaust. A damaged head gasket can allow coolant to enter the combustion chamber, which can cause white smoke to come out of the exhaust. White smoke from the exhaust is a common symptom of a faulty cylinder head gasket. This is because when the gasket fails, it can allow coolant to leak into the combustion chamber. The coolant then mixes with the fuel and air in the combustion chamber, creating a white smoke that is visible from the exhaust. The white smoke may be more noticeable when starting the engine or accelerating, as these actions increase the amount of fuel and air entering the combustion chamber. In some cases, the smoke may also have a sweet smell due to the presence of coolant. It is important to address excess white smoke from the exhaust as soon as possible, as it can indicate a serious problem with the engine. 3. Loss of power. A bad head gasket can cause a loss of compression in the engine, resulting in a loss of power and acceleration. This is because the gasket plays a crucial role in sealing the combustion chamber and maintaining proper compression. When the gasket fails, it can allow air to escape from the combustion chamber, reducing the overall compression ratio of the engine. This can lead to a decrease in power and acceleration, as well as poor fuel efficiency. 4. Engine misfire. This occurs when the gasket fails to seal the combustion chamber properly, allowing air and fuel to escape. As a result, one or more cylinders may not fire properly, causing the engine to misfire. This can lead to a rough idle, poor acceleration, and even stalling of the engine. In some cases, the misfire may be accompanied by a popping or backfiring sound from the exhaust. 5. Milky oil. This occurs because the coolant mixes with the oil, creating a milky emulsion. When the cylinder head gasket fails, it can allow coolant to leak into the engine oil, resulting in a milky appearance of the oil on the dipstick or under the oil cap. 6. Coolant loss. Coolant loss is also a common symptom of a faulty blown cylinder head gasket. A damaged head gasket can cause coolant to leak from the engine, leading to a loss of coolant and potential engine damage. As the gasket fails to seal the combustion chamber properly, it can allow coolant to leak out of the engine. This can result in low coolant levels, which can cause overheating and engine damage if left unaddressed. Once again, thank you for watching this video and joining my channel. I hope you find this video informative and enjoyable. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.